Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Your Samsung Galaxy A73 doesn't support eSIM, but that doesn't mean you need to buy a new phone. Most people think it's impossible to use eSIM on a phone without built-in support, but that's not entirely true. There is a solution that not many people know about. By using a special SIM card with the programmable chip, you can use multiple eSIM profiles even on phones that don't have native eSIM support. So, what do you need? First, you'll need a special eSIM adapter SIM card. It looks almost exactly like a regular physical SIM card, but inside it has a programmable chip. This chip allows you to store multiple eSIM profiles from different mobile carriers and switch between them whenever you want, without removing or replacing the SIM card. The next step is to install the eSIM.me app. After inserting the new SIM card into your phone and turning it on, open Google Play. Search for the official app made by the manufacturer of your eSIM adapter SIM card and install it. All of the setup is done through this app. When you open it for the first time, it will automatically detect the installed SIM card and ask you to add your first eSIM profile. Now get the QR code you received from your mobile carrier. In the app, choose the option to add a new eSIM profile and scan the QR code using your phone's camera. Within a few seconds, the profile will be downloaded and saved directly to the memory of the SIM card. Once the download is complete, the app will ask you to activate the new profile. Confirm the activation and wait for your phone to register on your carrier's network. If everything is successful, you'll see a network signal on the screen. Your smartphone will then be able to make phone calls, send text messages, and use mobile data just like it would with the regular SIM card.